I'm watching Jackie and my bad. What's up, guys? Hola, surprise, it's me, Sassysamey here on YouTube. Welcome back to my channel. For those of you guys who are new, welcome, welcome, welcome. For those of you guys who have been here for a while, hi, how are ya? I hope you're having an amazing day. If you haven't, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and also don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. But today's video is going to be a haul video because I am kind of putting together a gym, an at-home gym, which is going to be over there. You can't see it, but it's over there. And I decided to go to Burlington and Target to get a couple of different things that I wanted to incorporate in my gym. So let's get started. Okay, so I went to Burlington's because if you guys don't know, I did have a gift card for there. That was an accident. Okay, what had happened was I forgot to return something and it was kind of expensive. So then they gave me a store credit card, and so I went back and I bought some stuff. But I want to show you guys what I actually got for my at-home gym. I wanted an at-home gym so then that way I had no excuses to not work out, which is the number one thing that happens, is that, oh my god, I totally don't want to drive 10 minutes to go to the gym, so I'm just gonna not do it. So now I have an actual place where I can work out. But anyways, I'm gonna show you what I got. Okay? So the first thing that I picked up was this ankle and wrist weights. I actually wanted all of the same color stuff, but they didn't have all of the same color, so I ended up just picking up this one because it's a metallic pink. But they're like little weights that like match each other, and this was only $7.99, so I was like, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and buy that. The next thing that I picked up were these toning bands, which it has low impact, helps build endurance, develops and strengthens core, improves flexibility and mobility. So I got the one that's like a medium resistance. This I picked up because I thought it was cute. This is the slimmer belt. It was only $5.99. I actually had a couple of these and I needed a new one because I gave my old one to my sister, so I figured why not pick it up now. So I picked that up, which also I like the color because it's supposed to be this really pretty mint. Oh, you know what? Let's open it. I'm actually gonna be really sad if it's not the mint color though. Okay. Ooh, it is. It's a really pretty teal mint. So it's gonna kind of go along the same colors as my room because my room is this color exactly. Oh my god, that's so cool. Next thing is just a pair of jump rope. This is like a weighted jump rope, and obviously I'm gonna actually put this also in my car with my gym bag so I can actually jump rope and stuff. It is a hot / cold massaging balls, or massage balls, and it's supposed to help like massage you, obviously. So I thought that they'd be really, really good because I feel like I don't massage out my muscles enough, and I feel like my skin or my muscles are going to contract and I'm gonna get, what is that called? Cramps. So then I went to Target because let me tell you a little story. I decided to join the Tone It Up community, and I have been using the app for, I want to say, 2 or 3 weeks now, which I really, really enjoy because it has like daily moves and stuff like that, and I really like it. It's a really awesome app, and also you can do everything at home, which is a good thing. So if you don't know what to do for like daily exercises and stuff like that, they actually have daily moves for you to do. So it's like you don't have to think about it at all, which one of the things that I struggled with was when I didn't have my personal trainer. And when I was training by myself, I didn't know how to do everything because usually my trainer would just tell me what to do as opposed to me already knowing what to do and then kind of going and doing it. So this one, or this way, I have like a personal trainer, but not really. It's like a manual of what moves I should do. So anyways, I decided to pick up a couple of things from their line because first of all, it's really cute, and second, I went ham and I decided to go to Target and it was there, so let's look. I picked up two little, they're dumbbells, right? That's what they're called. Yeah, dumbbells. Dumbbells. This one is the 3-pound one, which Nathan was like, why do you need 3-pound ones? And I was like, because all of these sets are like 25 or 30 or 40 sets. There was one that I saw that was like 50 and I was like, what? Because when I used to lift, I would lift really heavy weights, but I would only do like 6 per set. But anyways, I picked up these ones and also they're pink. Also picked up these ones. This one is the 5-pound one. I don't have 5-pound weight, so I figured they'll work, and also they're blue. So, which is a kettlebell. This one is an 8-pound one, and it's just really cute, and I decided to pick it up because I thought it would be a necessity to work out. Oh. Last two things that I picked up. Number one was an exercise ball. We already have one, but this one is a light blue, and also it would go with everything that I picked up, so there was that. But this one is the bombshell ball. It's a core balance, lengthening, and toning ball. So I thought it'd be a really cute addition to my at-home gym. And I finally found them. These are the slide and sculpt discs. And this is the one that I actually wanted to get. Everything else was just kind of like, oh, well, I'm here, might as well get it. And I didn't have anything like this at home, so I picked this up. And also, I really want to get the booty bands because I need to work on my booty. But anyways, that is everything that I picked up for my at-home gym. I am going to start a series because your girl is big, and everyone says, oh my god, you're not even fat, blah blah blah. But the thing is that not a lot of people know that I was really skinny, and I mean like really skinny. I only weigh like 90 pounds when I was in high school, but I don't want to go back to that. I just want to be toned. I want to be toned, be more active, and also eat healthier and create a healthier lifestyle is what the end goal is. And I wanted to start a series on my channel because if you're starting from, you know, square one, you don't know what to do. I don't know what to do, so I wanted to go ahead and help you. We could start together. We can learn together. It'll be fun. And it'd be really awesome. And also I want to see how toned I can get with the Tone It Up community and the app. So if you guys haven't downloaded the app, go ahead and download it. Maybe we could do it together. Tell me down below if you have joined the Tone It Up community. And I want to do weekly kind of vlogs of like what I ate and little recipes or videos of recipes that I come up with or that I've tried, and all that fun stuff. So that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Short, sweet, just how I like it. It's me. And if you guys do want to follow me on my social media links, I will leave it down below. Also, I do have an Instagram specifically for getting fit or being like the Tone It Up, like, you know, just getting fit. And if you want to follow that, you can go ahead and follow that. I will leave that down below as well. And I think that is it. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Thank you guys so much for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. I want to open this and see everything. It's so cute. I love it. It says Tone It Up. Big it is. Okay. This is gonna take me forever. I finished it. Boom! It took me about 10 minutes to pump, to be honest. I took breaks in between.